Good afternoon, class. Today we'll be discussing the life and philosophy of Adi Shankara, an important figure in the history of Indian philosophy. Shankara lived in India during the 8th century CE and is considered one of the most influential thinkers in the Advaita Vedanta school of Hindu philosophy. Shankara was born in Kurulu, India, and was recognized as a prodigious scholar from an early age. He is said to have mastered the Vedas, the Upanishads, and other important Hindu texts by the age of 8. By the time he was 12 years old, he had already composed his first scholarly work, a commentary on the Brahma Stros. One of Shankara's most significant contributions to philosophy was his development of the doctrine of Advaita, which holds that there is only one ultimate reality, Brahman, and that all other apparent distinctions in the world are illusory. According to this view, the individual self, or Atman, is identical to Brahman, and the goal of spiritual practice is to realize that identity through meditation and self-inquiry. Shankara Advaita's philosophy has been influential in shaping the course of Indian philosophy, and it continues to be studied and debated by scholars today. His ideas have also had an impact on other fields including literature, art, and religion. One of the key themes in Shankara's philosophy is the concept of Maya, or illusion. According to Shankara, the world that we perceive around us is not real, but rather a product of our own minds. This illusion is caused by our attachment to the material world and our identification with our individual selves, which we mistake for our true identity as Brahman. In order to overcome Maya and realize our true nature, Shankara advocated for the practice of Jnana Yoga, or the path of knowledge. This involves self-inquiry and meditation, as well as the study of sacred texts and the teaching of enlightened gurus. Through these practices, one can come to understand the nature of Brahman and the illusory nature of the material world. Shankara's philosophy has had a profound impact on Indian culture, and his teachings continue to be studied and debated by scholars today. His ideas have influenced a wide range of thinkers and movements, including the Bhakti movement, which emphasized a devotion to a personal God, and the Neo-Vedanta movement of the 19th and 20th centuries, which sought to reconcile traditional Hindu philosophy with Western scientific thought. In conclusion, Adi Shankara was a highly influential philosopher who made significant contributions to the development of Indian philosophy. His Advaita philosophy and his teachings to Maya and Jnana Yoga continue to be studied and debated by scholars today, and his ideas have had a lasting impact on Indian culture and thought. Thank you for joining me in this lecture on Adi Shankara.